up, guys, and welcome to TNT Beauty. I'm Nisi, and today I'm so excited. I'm here at our beach house with my girlfriends. It is our first girls only trip to the beach house, so I'm super excited. So I just had to start the day off right. So I filmed this look here. I was really going for bronze goddess, beachy, summer, J-Lo glow vibes. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look right here, then just keep watching. So I'm starting out with a fresh face. Going in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. This has the silkiest, smoothest consistency, and this is something I've been using for a while. I love it. Alright, so I'm just applying that to my face, and after I apply that, I'm going to take the It Cosmetics Bye Bye Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that to my fingertips because I don't have any brushes with me. And I'm just going to clean up under the brow area. Just going to smooth that in. All right, so next I'm going to take my HD Flawless Setting Powder. I think I paid $6 for this. I got it at Marshall's, and I just love it so much. Applying this on top of the primer, it's just like magic. I highly suggest you try this technique if you haven't before. Okay, so my foundation for today is the Clinique Even Better Foundation. And I'm being careful not to really rub. I'm, just using gentle strokes to blend that in so that I don't mess up my canvas that I just prepared. And I do enjoy using this foundation. I think it's got SPF 15. It's got buildable coverage. It's great for a natural finish, a glowy look. So I just continue to blend that in. Blending is key when you're going for a flawless look. I'm always afraid I'm going to be on camera and miss a spot. I think I did do that in the makeup tutorial I did last with my sister, but whatever. So next I'm taking the NYX Causemetics concealer, and I'm just going to apply that to the under eye area. Oh, and it is raining so hard outside. I hope you guys can't hear that. Sorry. Alright, and so I'm also going under the brow area just to brighten that area up a little bit more so that it is ready for the shadows I will be applying. So I'm just going to blend, blend, blend because blending is key. Yeah, I have not done this exact look before, but I have to say I did love it. I was pleasantly surprised by this. So I'm just going to speed that up a little bit. We are blending. Moving on. All right, so I couldn't do a glowy look without doing some J-Lo. So I've got the J-Lo Glow Bronzer, and it's not as heavily pigmented as I would have liked, but it's not bad. I'm just applying that as kind of a base to both eyes. Now I've got the Crown Cosmetics palette, and oh man, this has some beautiful golds, browns, and reds. So I'm going in with the brown to start off. Lots of browns and golds today. Okay, so next I'm going to start livening up the eye area. I've got this shimmery brick red, and I'm just going along the lash line with that. and blending as I go. Okay, so I'm applying this brownish color as a transition color. I'm just really lightly applying that because I want it to be kind of seamless and very easy to blend. Okay, and now I'm doing just that. I am, you guessed it, blending. All right, next I'm going in with just a beautiful product. This is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder. And I know you can't tell on camera, but this is just a fine golden shimmery powder. It's beautiful. So I'm just applying that to the eye area, being very gentle, tapping it out. Now I've got the Thrive Causemetics Brilliant Eye Brightener, and I must have just really been feeling brave this day. I mean, it's not unlike me to do what I'm doing right here, applying it to the under eye area, but doing my lash line, yeah, that is something different for me. I was feeling it though, I liked it. Let me know what you think. So next, I do not even know which eyeliner that is, but that's just a very basic brown eyeliner. I never wear eyeliner, but I told you I was going for glam today. So I just applied that lightly. Next, I am prepping my lashes by curling them. I always curl before, well, not always, but when I'm trying to be extra. I curl, I use my mascara, and this is the It Cosmetics Lash Blowout. And after I apply that mascara to both eyes, I am going to go back in and curl again. So I'm just applying to the upper lashes, trying to avoid clumps, giving every lash some love. It's just so satisfying to put on mascara and to watch the lashes go from like barely there to like in your face. And you know me, I gotta show those bottom lashes some love as well. And like I said, I'm just going back in to curl a second time, which really makes the lashes pop. Now I've got the Cover FX palette, and I'm going to apply a contour. And don't worry, I'm not going to leave that spot like this. I was not expecting that to be so pigmented, so I had to really go back and blend it in, honey. All right, so I'm going under the jawline. And once again, just blending for a seamless look. All right, so that is the Cover FX palette again, and I'm going in with a little bit of blush. And I'm just patting that out. So I've got the Crown palette again. And I'm just applying a highlighter. I mean, these are actually eyeshadows, but you know, because of the color scheme of the palette, it's very versatile, and I love that. Next, I've got the Iconic London Illuminator, and this was my first time using this product. It is very pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way. So I'm applying that to my collarbone because she doesn't want to feel left out. I'm going to take my brush and blend that in so I don't look like a crazy person. Now I've got my Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and to be so cheap, I really love this. This is my first time using a Wet n Wild gel lip liner, and I will definitely be buying more. So first I line, and then I'm going to go and fill in the lips. Okay, so after I have lined and filled in the lips, I'm going to take the Bare Minerals lip gloss, and it's this beautiful chocolatey brown color. I'm just applying that on top. And I felt like it was a little too much, so I just blotted a little bit, and I'm going in with a lighter color, which is perfect for this look. This is the Flower Beauty lip gloss. Also very affordable. Now, I could have stopped right there, but you know, we're being extra today. So I took the Iconic London Illuminator and I placed just a little dab in the center of the lip, and I'm going to take the Flower Beauty lip gloss and just very gently blend that out so that we've got a glowy nude lip that is the perfect way to top off this look. I'll be finishing off today's look with the JLo Miami Glow, which is a beautiful fragrance. But that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.